Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So this one, the connector is actually broken and it's loose. Just slides right off. That can happen, they get old and brittle. If you've got broken coil pack connectors and they're loose, they could be vibrating back and forth. You could end up with a misfire, and you don't want that. To replace the connector for the coil pack, I need to remove this yellow lock. I'm going to use a small flat-bladed screwdriver and just gently pry it up. At the same time, I don't want the lock to go flying out of the way. If the whole connector breaks, that's fine. They're very brittle. The only thing we want to reuse is this yellow lock. So I'm going to put that aside in a safe place so I can reuse it. I want to keep these wires in order, and they pretty much go in order, so it's red, black, and white. And there is a small lock, a black lock right here under each one of them. I'm going to take a small pick and very carefully pry down on the lock, and you can almost break it off. Because this connector is so brittle, it doesn't really matter, we're not reusing it. They just get brittle with age and like heat cycles. I'm gonna carefully pull these out. That red one's loose. I don't think these ones are loose yet. Get that out of there. I'm just breaking the locks right out. Do want to be careful with the metal connectors, because you want to reuse those. So once those locks are open, they'll come right out, and they kind of stay in order anyways. So here's our new connector. It has a new lock. That was what was originally broken, and then we broke the rest of the locks taking this out. So these are in order. Orientation was this way with the lock to this side. Just gonna put them in the same way. Just kind of line them all up. And push them into place. And they'll all kind of make a small little click as they lock into place. So locks are in there, they're not moving, but we need to put the yellow lock back in. Take the yellow lock, slide it in place. That wider part goes towards the bottom, and the top part that sort of matches where the terminals are goes in the top. And then you just push it in. You'll just feel it kind of slide in place, and it'll lock nice, it's flush. And that's perfect. So now this can go back on the coil. It'll slide right into place. It'll click when it locks in place. Now it won't come off.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.